people, so this is the Filipina and the foreigner. So for today's video, I'm gonna introduce you my friend Janet Banyares. She's looking for a foreigner. Yeah, and we have this short.
I would say we have a track record because we've had several of our friends meet foreigners, and now they're all together. So we have a good track record.
Yes.
See,
And
you better pay attention.
And also, guys, she's a single mom, and in a way, her daughter is young adults already, not a baby anymore.
How old is she? Her daughter.
Turning 18.
Okay, so she's
Yes.
older now.
And you know what? She's so young. She's still 36, and currently she's working in Hong Kong. Actually, I already met her, I think, twice already in Hong Kong, and then we keep in touch in Facebook and Messenger.
Your friend in this video is 36?
Yes, 36
Wow,
years old.
that's
She looks
surprising.
20.
I've seen the video already, and I'm
Exactly.
thinking,
Yeah.
36? She doesn't look
Yes.
36 to me.
Yeah, because I thought that when she how is that? When she sent me a voice message, I thought that she's 26.
Yeah, that looks about right.
Yes.
She looks about 26.
Yeah, exactly. She's really young. Like, what you see is what you get. Yeah, it's not even in a filter. No, because I already saw her in person. She's so cute, sexy. Yeah.
We're talking about Mahal now.
Yeah, she's really young. Yes, and she's pretty. And of course, she wants to meet a good guy. And just we have this short conversation of her because it's her day off, and it's just few minutes because I don't want to spend more time talking to her because her day off is only half day during the time.
Plus, she had technical problems.
Yes,
We had to edit from here to here.
so we're talk in Zoom. So watch out, guys, and I hope you will we will receive good feedback, and you can message us in our of course email Filipina K1. So
At
if you
Gmail.
if you want to connect to her. And guys, we
And
don't
by-
charge more. I just want
charge
donation.
Yeah, we don't charge a thing. But,
Yeah.
donations are nice. Go
Yeah.
for her, not me.
It's not a mandatory, it's not a compulsory or anything. Yeah. So I hope you like it, and what's the video?
And by the way,
Yeah.
we do check our email. Like, there's a lot of people online, and they say with their YouTube channel, oh, just email me. My email is there. I've done that. They don't email you
Yes.
back.
Yeah. Email
We
us.
check ours,
yes.
okay? Just let you
email
know.
us.
We check
yes.
ours.
Immediately email us. Filipina K1
So,
at Gmail. That's it. That's our email. We always check our email.
yeah. So
So
here's a
God bless.
little short interview.
So, hello guys and good afternoon. Good morning pa pala. So my guest for today is my friend from Hong Kong, and she is a single mom, 36 years old. And can you introduce yourself?
I'm Janet, 36 years old, from GMA Cavite. I have one daughter, she's 17 years old. Right now, I'm here in Hong Kong working as nanny.
Okay. So,
That's all.
your age prefer age gap.
Prepare age gap, 34 to 50 years old.
So that's it. Yeah, that's the only okay. So about the nationality that you like?
USA, Australia, New Zealand, Italy,
Okay. Yeah.
anywhere.
And also since you are a single mom for a long time, in your relationship, what you want? Like you want to like most of the you want a Christian guy?
Yeah, I like Christian.
And
I'm
then
also Christian.
okay. So she's also a Christian. So guys, when it comes to relationship, can you share what you want in a guy, like specific qualities of a guy?
I like faithful. Um, Else, I don't like drinking, smoking. I like adventure also, but I like the guy always like for example, he go to somewhere. I want to be with me.
Yeah. You really want to that kind of relationship that you want to spend your time with
Spend
him all
time
the
with
time.
me always. Yeah,
Yeah, okay.
and
So,
especially after my daughter.
okay.
That's the first one. The first thing.
So you're willing to relocate once your foreigner wants to meet you here in the Philippines.
Yeah, I'm willing, but hopefully with my daughter.
Mm-mm-mm. And anyway, your daughter is an young adult, so I guess your daughter can manage. So you really want that kind of relationship that always spend time together.
Yes.
And how about like what if would you consider about that like he's coming here in the Philippines and then just for a vacation and then going back to his country? Are you willing to move with him going back to the country?
Yes, why not? If he like, I will accept.
Okay. So anyway, guys, my my friend Jeanette, what you see it is what you get. She's what is your height, Dai?
Or nine. Tinatanong pa yung
She's really cute, but I guarantee you that she's beautiful and sexy. Yeah, because
kasama
I
pa yung
already personally saw her when I was in Hong Kong. So, Dai, last message. Give me last message about your foreigner that you want.
May ganun.
Yeah.
Hi, hello. I just want to say I like the foreigner, faithful guy. Also loving me and accept my daughter. That's all. Nothing.
Okay. And don't forget that he's a God fearing.
What?
God fearing. Yung
Ah,
maka-Diyos.
yeah. Yes.
Yeah. So thank you for spending time. I know you had a lot of friends waiting for you there and enjoy your day off. And God bless. Take care
Yeah, I don't
always. Thank you sa time, Dai. Bless
Bye-bye.
you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Okay.
Bye.
So guys, do you like the video? So that's my friend Janet Banyares. And I
She's
hope
still working in Hong Kong.
yes,
right?
she's still working. Just like me, I'm before I met my mahal, we are in LDR for 10 months. I work in Hong Kong and he's in Canada.
Yeah, and that's really a good point because that girl, your friend, is working there, and when I met you, you were working there.
Yes.
And we just kept up our conversation back and forth
Yes.
until it came to a point where I said, "Well, why don't you go home?
Yes.
I'll meet you
yeah.
home."
Yeah, exactly. That's how our story begins.
That's
Yeah.
how your story could begin.
Yeah. So, thank you.
And the email to
Yes.
contact is your
Please
email.
contact us at filipinak1@gmail. Yes. And so we can
She'll
get
put you in
connected.
touch with her.
Yes. And anyway, she's already have Facebook, so it's easy for you if you have Facebook and if you have WhatsApp also because Nani in Hong Kong they're using WhatsApp. So you can message us so we can connect to her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And she has a good track record
Yes.
with her friends because she's connected a lot of friends with our subscribers. So
yes.
far, I think they're all still together. Are they all still together?
Mm.
I think they are. Aren't
Yeah.
They? Yeah, they're all still together. Some are on their way. So,
Okay. God bless
God
everyone.
bless you.